ensure the vacuum cleaner is switched off. Connect the end of the charging adapter to the battery charging port. Then, connect the charging adapter to the power supply and turn on. The LED display will indicate how much battery there is through the battery bar. When charge drops below 10%, the LED battery indicator light will flash twice per second. Alternatively, you can remove the battery from the vacuum cleaner to charge. Remove the battery pack from the main unit by pushing the release catch and sliding away from the main unit. Connect the power adapter to the charging port on the battery pack. Plug the mains power adapter to the power supply and turn on. The LED indicator light on the battery will flash during charging. When charging is complete, the LED light will remain illuminated. With charging complete, insert the battery back into the main unit, taking care to align the indents and assure it clicks into place. Regular cleaning of the filter helps to maintain the suction and pickup performance you expect from your Beldray cordless vacuum. Firstly, ensure you have unplugged the unit from the charging adapter and that the unit is switched off. To remove the filter, press the dust container release button. Next, empty the dust container over a bin by pressing the dust container release latch. Lift out the HEPA filter and foam filter from the dust container. Shake the filters until the majority of the dust has been removed. Then rinse with clean, warm water and leave to dry naturally. Similarly, remove the cone filter by lifting it out of the vacuum before wiping it down. Once completely dry, refit the filter cone by aligning the indents on the cone with those on the dust container. Once the filters are completely dry, replace the foam filter, followed by the HEPA filter. Refit the dust container by aligning the indent on the front and pushing it back firmly into its slot until it clicks into position. As well as regularly cleaning the filter system, we also advise you to check for blockages in the air inlet and floor brush. Always ensure your floor brush and brush bar are clean. By following these simple steps every couple of weeks, you will maintain a high level of pickup performance and prolong the life of your vacuum cleaner. The Beldray cordless vacuum is also equipped with 2 sensors, which activate in the event of a blockage. If a blockage is detected in the floor brush, the unit will not shut down immediately. Instead, a fault indicator light will flash for approximately 8 seconds. If the blockage is cleared within 8 seconds, the vacuum will continue as normal. However, if the blockage surpasses 8 seconds, the cleaner will shut down automatically. After removing any blockages, restart the unit to continue cleaning. If the main motor or tube is clogged for 3 to 5 seconds, the motor will stop and the clogging indicator will flash on the LED display. After removing any blockages, restart the unit to continue cleaning. By following these instructions and performing regular care and maintenance, you will prolong the lifespan of the Beldray cordless vacuum and ensure that it continues to give optimum performance.